qui Navas con Bernat, Silva, Marquinhos, Moyaner nella difesa, centrocampo con Verratti e Gueye, in attacco, super attacco, Neymar, Mbappé, Cavani e Di Maria. Per il Manchester United in porta De Gea, Shaw, Maguire, Lindelof e Bisaka, centrocampo con Pogba, Fred, Fernandes, Martial e Mata, a ridosso di una sola punta a Rashford per prendere palla ma non ci riesce, c'è Pogba, dalla palla Fernandes a Rashford, il tiro, parata, ancora Bernat, serie di passaggi fra i due, il cross, Neymar in aria, lo blocca Bisaka, il tiro, parata di Gea, che Munier, ancora Munier, palla all'indietro verso Silva, tocca pallone, Fernandes a Rashford, ancora Rashford, il tiro, parata di Navas, ancora lui, Rashford, lo United in aria, Rashford, tocca palla verso Fernandes, Rashford, il tiro, gol dello United, gol 1-0, magia di Fernandes e Rashford. Incredibile, che gol, ottima giocata di Rashford, parata su Fernandes, poi palla recuperata da Rashford e fa l'1-0. Ottima partita di Rashford, ha segnato 3 reti nella scorsa partita. Wan-Bissaka, ancora lui, incursione, Bisaka, cross, tiro, parata, ora Gueye non trova Di Maria, Munier ora, Di Maria in aria il cross morbido, cerca, blocca bene Shaw, all'indietro verso Verratti, ora centrocampo, serie di finte di Verratti su Fred, ancora Verratti, il dribbling col Bisaka con Marquinhos, Verratti, palla verso Neymar, ancora Neymar, serie di dribbling a cercare Cavani, recupera a centrocampo con Matic, Fernandes, il tiro, ottimo pallone, Rashford, il tiro, parata di Navas, James, colpo di tacco, il tiro, grande occasione di Martial, profondità, ancora Martial, il cross, il tiro, Rashford, blocca tutto Silva, che Martial ora in aria, il dribbling, ancora lui Martial, tocca palla verso Matic, il tiro, gol di Matic, che contropiede dello United, ma bisogna ammettere che giocata di Martial, fenomenale, il tiro bloccato, il primo tiro di Matic ma non il secondo, che botta, gol, grandissimo gol e meritatissimo dello United, che ha giocato una grande partita qui in Francia.
The goalkeeper is the precocious Gianluigi Donnarumma. Simon Kjær plays alongside Alessio Romagnoli in central defence. Franck-Yannick Kessié starts alongside Lucas Biglia in central midfield. And rather than use a strike partnership, they've gone with just the one player in attack. This is the lineup for Dortmund. Well, there's no great mystery, is there? We know normally how they're going to play, and it's all about applying as much pressure as possible. Lee, can we anticipate seeing more of the... Götze. Emre Can. In position to give them the lead, maybe. Can. Here's Roy. Can he make it count? That will give them quite the lift. An early opening goal, Lee.
Well, you always want to start quickly, and there's certainly a quick start there. What a finish. Well, when you come to a game, you want to see skill like this. It's absolutely brilliant dribbling. The defender, he's all over the place. What a goal.
Slightly different vantage point in terms of the goal that was scored. for the equaliser. And Zlatan Ibrahimovic in the centre. That is how to run at defenders. Can he get them level? Able to clear the danger, at least for now. Rebic! A simple save for the keeper. Çalhanoğlu. Bonaventura! Over it comes. No shortage of excitement. Level again. No wonder they're excited.
Well, it's almost a perfect headed goal. Brilliant delivery into the danger area. Good movement, back of the net.
A chance to revisit the goal. Looking for that final pass, looking for the goal that would put them ahead. Ibrahimovic! Top quality. Royce. Cutting infield here. Marco Reus! Emre Can. He takes aim. Straight forward for the keeper.
Goodson.
It did look on for them, but not to be. Sancho. Oh, a perfectly timed pass. Goodson. Witsel. Into the advanced position. Wonderful chance. So close to keeping himself onside, but offside is the verdict.
Well, and that's his job, the linesman. Give those tight offside decisions and get them right.
Yes. And scope for them to produce something exciting.
Very-
Surely! An attempt. And that's an important intervention.
It's
A
got to
forward
be.
momentum from Borussia Dortmund. Can they produce? And offside is the decision. It must have been very closely.
Well, yeah, the linesman's got the best view of them all. I think he got that right.
Paqueta. Bonaventura with it. An incisive pass. They'll be disappointed with that offside decision, but it was correct.
Oh, he's so close right at the end of the game, but I think he got that one spot on, the linesman.
Jadon Sancho. And Julian Brandt. Into the advanced position. Brandt! Superb. Is the Bayern side. The highly regarded Manuel Neuer starts in goal. David Alaba plays with Jerome Boateng in central defence. And leading the attack today is the lethal Robert Lewandowski. This is what they'll be up against today. A 4-4-2, but with the emphasis on attack.
Yeah, very much so, Derek. The number 10 will supply the support for the strikers. Three very, very narrow midfield players will also get...
It's opening up for them. And offside is the decision. It must have been very closely.
Well, yeah, the linesman's got the best view of them all. I think he got that right.
Keeping the ball moving. It's a weighted pass. And now the delivery. And the keeper won't be complaining. Forward momentum for Bayern here. What can they do from this position? And that's an important intervention. As an attacking player, you rather hope you'll get the decision in your favour, but offside here.
Yeah, the defence got that spot on, and so did the
Pjanic.
linesman.
Showing patience as well as persistence in the build-up. And Ramsey, well, he did his best to remain onside, but just failed.
Yeah, it was close, but that's all it needs to be, close. He was offside.
Dybala. And he has been ruled offside here. Can't have been by an awful lot.
Oh, I'm not so sure, but the linesman's got a better view than I have.
Alphonso Davies. Moving the ball effectively. Lewandowski. And offside is the decision. It must have been very closely.
Well, yeah, the linesman's got the best view of them all. I think he got that right.
Corner kick played in. Kimmich with it clear. Pavard. Good vision. Can he get onto this? And Lewandowski in the thick of things. Ball nicely. It had an Lewandowski. Goretzka. Oh, a nice looking pass. We wondered if a goal was forthcoming, but it has arrived now.
Well, finally the deadlock has been broken. Not long to go now. How will that affect the opposition? Top marks, finishing at his best. Lovely through ball as well. The timing was perfect. Excellent finish.
Well, let's go back to the goal that was scored. Opponent. Not to be advised giving the ball away there. Can't miss, surely.
Scommetto che nel tuo piatto c'è la Simmental.
No, c'è la Kingsman con i pomodori e le olive. Hai perso la scommessa.
Carne Simmental, con un gusto così unico. Non sbagli mai.
Jinsabu fis-sitt post wara 10 punti, imma jkunu informazzjonijiet: Real Madrid, Courtois, Carvajal, Varane, Ramos u Marcelo, Isco, Casemiro u Toni Kroos u fuq qudiem il-BBC Hazard, Benzema u Bale. Din il-logħba ħinżlu b'informazzjoni. Ter Stegen bejn il-lasti, Alba, Lengle, Piqué u Roberto id-difensuri, De Jong, Busquets u Arthur f'nofs il-ground fi waqt li fuq qudiem Antoine Griezmann, Luis Suarez u l-Stilla, Lionel Messi. Carvajal, Casemiro. Casemiro jqassam il-Gareth Bale. Real Madrid qed jippruvaw joperaw minn fuq il-lemin u jieħdu l-ewwel free kick wara dik id-daħla ta' Jordi Alba. Ir-referi jissanzjona din id-daħla b'karta safra wkoll. Hekk kif diġà jibdew il-protesti mill-plejers Katalani kontra il-referi, l-istess ħaġa Kike Sentien minn fuq il-bankina. Gareth Bale bil-free kick minn 34 metru bot. Jilqa' Ter Stegen. Hazard jipruva jfittax il-cross, jirnexxielu jeleb il-Artur, imur għall-cross, jilqa' Ter Stegen. Barcellona jippruvaw marru għall-cross iżda jiklirja tajjeb Varane. Attenzjoni, Messi jipruva rovesċata. Il-ballun imur għand Griezmann, son Messi xot, Lionel! Anzi, Luis Suarez! Barcellona jmarru fil-vantaġġ wara 13 minuta lob. Grazzi għal Luis Suarez li jiskurja minn ftit metri bot wara ħidma ta' ballun tajjeb min-naħa tat-tim Katalan. Għal Luis Suarez dan huwa ir-raba' gol f'dan it-turnament u jilħaq lil Marcus Rashford u lil Romelu Lukaku f'ras il-klassifika tal-scorers. Suarez, Jordi Alba, Griezmann. Attenzjoni, Griezmann biċ-ċans għal xota Messi l-qateb Courtois. De Jong Suarez il-xot, jilqa Courtois u korner Sergio Roberto jitla mal-linja, naraw naqa Barcellona s-ser nixxilhom jagħmlu jmorru għal-cross jilqa Courtois. Benzema lil-Hazard u tajjeb hemmhekk Barcellona. Attenzjoni, Benzema biex xott il-gol! Karim! Benzema! 1-1 l-iskor! Real Madrid jirrispondu. Fis-66 minuta, gol ta' Karim Benzema li approfitta minn żball difensiv tat-tim ta' Barcellona biex issa imorru għal 1-1 u l-logħba tista' tgħid li terġa' tibda mill-ġdid grazzi għat-tielet gol fl-Antonella Sports Block FIFA Challenge Tournament ta' Karim Benzema.
Looking at the lineup, he's got all the components in place, hasn't he, the manager, for the pressing style of play that's been a feature of his team.
Yep, and many an opponent has found it difficult to cope with. If your touch isn't spot on against this aggressive type of closing down, you're going to lose it in
Inter's
dangerous
lineup.
areas.
Sami Handanovic starts in goal. Stefan de Vrij plays with Diego Godin as the centre-backs. Nicolo Barella starts with Christian Eriksen in midfield. In attack, Romelu Lukaku starts alongside Lautaro Martinez as the two forwards. Romelu Lukaku. Brozovic. A great chance to go in front. Very successful there, he's got possession. That will be offside, flag went up. Come back to get a touch and get involved in the game. Out into the wide areas now. Game still level, but the pressure might be counting. The target, players in the centre. A little bit risky, this manoeuvre of dropping off, because the ball will keep coming at them and they won't be able to get out. They're coming in at the back post, his teammates. Great save. Young. Swung into the box. Swung in from the corner. It's wonderful work from the goalkeeper again from the header.
Well, he was on his toes, he was ready for it. Good stop.
The keeper stops it. And the goalkeeper, it's his ball.
Well, look at that, very little for the supporters to be cheering on either side. So little goal action. Both keepers, they could have been reading a newspaper so far.
That's offside against Alexis Sanchez. Roberto Firmino can go in from here. I think the opposition looked as though they... Sanchez taking on the opposition and the responsibility as well. Support coming from a deeper position. How about that for a goal? It's given them the breakthrough, and they've had to work very hard to find a way through this defence. But when it came, it was superbly taken. And they're absolutely thrilled with the way they've got the lead here. Well, you get a lot of satisfaction as a goal-scoring forward for knocking one in from that distance. You know you're in the right place.
No, it was a poacher's effort. The final finish wasn't difficult, but to get there, that took a little bit of instinct.
Well played. Alexis Sanchez. Good work by the goalkeeper. An opportunity here. There's some space to work the ball into. Players arriving in the middle. And he's taken the chance beautifully. Well, they've extended their lead in this game. And the gap between these two sides is reflected now on the scoreline.
Great understanding there between the crosser and the lad in the middle. Lost his marker brilliantly.
Let's have another peek at that goal.
Well, I think this manager was pessimistic coming into this game, and those fears are being realised now. His team trailing by a good margin.
Roberto Firmino could get a goal back here. That's a good... In goes the corner. Decent distance from the punch from the goalkeeper.
There will be a minimum of 3 minutes.
They've gone wide. Chance to get the ball in the box. It's still dangerous here off the goalkeeper.